Hello friends, welcome to today's video lesson. Today's topic is subitizing. I would love you to say the word subitize. Say it again, subitize. Okay, what it means is that we're going to use our eyes like Mr. Eyes on my screen, and we're going to be looking at some dominoes. We'll be looking at some 10 frames, and we'll be saying the number of dots on those frames or dominoes. You will use your eyes to see the dots, and you will use your mouth to say the number of the dots, but you will not count with your fingers. Okay, are we ready to subitize? Okay, let's go right into the lesson. How many frames are here? Friends, I have some frames on the screen. I'm going to count them, and I want you to do the same with me, okay? We will identify the number of frames on this screen. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 frames. We have 10 frames. This time around, I'll be replacing these numbers with dots, and I expect you to look at the dots and see the number of dots on these 10 frames, okay? Let's subitize. How many dots is here? 1. Good job. How many dots is here? 1 dot. Great work. How many dots is here? 1 dot. Brilliant. How many dots are here? 2 dots. How many dots are here? 2 dots. How many dots are here? 2 dots. Excellent. How many dots are here? 3 dots. How many dots are here? 3 dots. How many dots are here? 3 dots. Bravo! How many dots are here? 4 dots. How many dots are here? 4 dots. How many dots are here? 4 dots. Good job. How many dots are here? 5 dots. How many dots are here? 5 dots. How many dots are here? 5 dots. Excellent. How many dots is here? 1 dot. How many dots are here? 3 dots. How many dots are here? 5 dots. How many dots are here? 2 dots. How many dots are here? 4 dots. Activity time. I want you to quickly answer this activity on your notepad, okay? How many dots are here? Okay friends, I trust you had a nice time. Do your activities on your worksheets and have a nice day. Bye.